Motherfucking ham sandwich.
Motherfucking damn ham a fucking sandwich.
That's what I say, Shawty can't handle this. Ever got that fire like
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Ronnie Drew, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm getting my hair done. I'm getting my first ever wig installed. It's like gonna be like a 2-day type of video. I just put up to the shop. I'm getting this hairstyle taken out, and I'm getting my braid down today. So that tomorrow I'm just gonna get my makeup done, and then we're gonna get right into the wig install. So today we're just getting the wash, taking this out, getting the wash, getting the braid down, all that, so that in the morning we can just get straight to it. But I'm really excited because I've never gotten a wig before. Like, this is very, very, very exciting for me. Like, y'all know, like, if you know me, I like very natural hairstyles. I'm not into wigs. My head gets hot very fast. Even when I used to wear my hair natural, it gets hot very, very, very fast. So we're actually filming this because she's coming out with the new ebook, like a how to install wigs ebook. And so we're doing like content to promote the ebook. I think the wig is from her brand as well. I'll see more, and it's gonna be launching maybe, I believe, later on this year. I believe we're getting content for all that together. And if you know me, you know I love a good hair appointment. So let's just get right into the video. Okay, y'all, so we about to do this wig install.
We're going to start hot combing the hair in the direction she wants her hair to fall on. Straight. It is. We're going to take the wig band off. You see, this is all the extra hair that we braided off. So after you're done forming the baby hair,
I was gonna pray for the wine. You can call me Whitney. I know that he'll bang. Just a little baddest in school, the baddest little gang. Excuse me, honey, but nobody's in my lane. If you was in New York, you was fucking a Yankee. I was fucking with Bass, I was pitching a Frankie. These bitches so cranky, give them a hanky. But mama, I'm cold, give me my blankie. Flyer than the kite, I can't hire than my pencil. The Snow White, I ain't got a bundle. It could be stuck for the crumble. I'll be acting like the crowd and I'm I'm stealing, pushing out the dealer. All the dope boys don't feel it. Love so sick, I need a healer. Love is my concealer.
you want to make sure you're curling away from the face. Away from the face. So before I put that clip on,
Life's better on Saturn. Got to break this pattern. Floating away. Find something worth saving. It's all for the taking. I always say, all be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. Oh, yeah.
We're almost done with the wig install. Hairbyniquee. Yeah.
And
so after we're done creating the baby hair, you're just gonna take your hairspray. You just gonna spray the baby hair.
so when you say tracks, what are tracks? Where?
Tracks is in the back of the wig. Tracks is on the wig and in the back. That's how this looks. Do you wrap it? Let me get the comb anyway. So I can comb the curls out.
Someone's calling you.
Who is it? Mom?
I don't know. A whole bunch of people.
Oh, just press the red. Press the red. Yeah. Family group chat. Okay, can you switch that?
Yep.
The blow dryer comb? Can you get the
Motherfucking ham sandwich.
Motherfucking damn ham a fucking sandwich.
So as you can see, the hair already fallen with a short curl because of the layers that we created. Oh no.
Where's the other one?
I don't know. No cap, I don't know. That's crazy, right?
I guess, yeah. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm dirty. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase.
Okay, y'all, so we just finished the wig install. Hairbyniquee lace wear. Looks like it's growing out my scalp, but this is my first time getting a wig, like I said, and you guys might see more wigs in the near future, okay? Yeah. Well, you gotta get in it too. I never introduced you to my vlog. This is Hairbyniquee. This is Nique, okay? My favorite stylist. This is the girl who be on all my styles. So, yeah, make sure y'all follow her, okay? And we got some good stuff coming soon.